Hello, so my lesson title is Measurement and Data, Conversion of Measurement. The grade level is 5 and it's by Victoria Leeds. The lesson objective for this lesson is know how to move between various measurements in mass, capacity, and length. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to calculate measurement conversions and apply it to real-world and multi-step problems. Hello students, so today we're going to be focusing on unit conversions. We have different size measurements for measuring different things. We would not use millimeters to measure the length of a field. So what exactly is measurement conversion? When you convert measurements, you change from one unit to another, like feet to yards, and vice versa. The unit measurement system is broken into two systems, the U.S. customary system and the metric system. For example, for the U.S. customary system, the length is foot, inches, miles, and yards. Meanwhile, for length, for the metric system, it's centimeter, kilometers, meters, and millimeters. For weight, it's mass, ounce, pound, weight, and ton. For the metric system, it would be grams, kilograms, mass, weight. In the U.S. customary system, for liquid and volume, or capacity, it would be cup, gallon, ounce, pint, or quart. And the most common are in the metric system are liters and millimeters. So you should know, for length you should know 1 foot equals 12 inches, 1 yard equals 36 inches, 1 yard could also equal 3 feet. 1 mile would be 5,280 feet. 1 mile equals 1,760 yards. Metric units of length. In order to fully understand how to do this, you need to know what these equal. So 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters, 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, 1 meter equals 1,000 millimeters, and 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So for mass and weight, on the metric system, 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams, 1 gram equals 1,000 milligrams. In the U.S. customary, 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. So let's go over the basics so you fully understand how to convert. To convert a larger unit to a smaller unit, you multiply. To convert a smaller unit to a larger unit, you divide. So let's go over a couple examples. To convert a higher unit to a lower unit, we multiply the number by 10, 100, or 1,000. So in this following example, we are converting 890 kiloliters to liters. 1 kiloliter equals 1,000 liters. So in this problem, we multiply. 890 times 1,000 equals 890,000 liters. Example 2. To convert a higher unit to a lower unit, we multiply the number by 10, 100, or 1,000. So in this example, we do 22 times 10 equals 220 millimeters. So in this example, it's a little different. We're moving from smaller units to larger units, so we divide the number by 10, 100, or 1,000. In the following example, we want to convert 3,598 millimeters to meters. So in this problem, we divide by 1,000. 3,598 by 1,000 is 3.598 meters. So like in the previous problem, we are dividing the number. So we are converting 765 millimeters to centimeters. So in this problem, we divide 765 by 10 and get 76.5 centimeters. So right now, I want you guys to work in pairs on the following worksheets. Note on the K5 learning worksheet, there's a little guide. Note 1 yard equals 3 feet and 1 foot equals 12 inches. For example, 14 inches equals 1 foot and 2 inches. Okay. So for the closure of this mini lesson is a Kahoot quiz. Question 1. What is 7.4 grams in kilograms? So for each of these problems, you get 30 seconds to work on the problem. So in the first one, you should have divided by 1,000 and got 0.0074 kilograms. All right. Number 2. What is 54 yards in feet? (162 feet). So in this problem, you multiply by 3. So it would be 54 times 3 equals 162 feet. Question number 3. What is 0.6 meters in millimeters? So yeah, it would be 600 millimeters. For this problem, you would multiply by 1,000. So it would be 0.6 times 1,000. Number 4. What is 95 feet in yards? Would it be 35 yards, 60 yards, 31.667 yards? Because we divide the length by 3. So it would be 95 divided by 3. Question number 5. What is 20 millimeters in centimeters? So yeah, it would be 2 centimeters because we divide 20 millimeters by 10, which would give us 2 centimeters. Number 6. What is 700 centimeters in meters? So in this problem, we divide by 100. So that would give us 7 meters. Final question. So what is 900 centimeters in meters? So in this problem, to get meters, we divide by 100. So it would be 900 divided by 100, which would give us 9 meters. Boys and girls, you did so good today, and I look forward to continuing these lessons because I know we need practice on this. It's a really difficult concept to understand. So the next few days we'll be working on this. Bye.